Hi, this is Miss Recheck, and I wanted to do a little lesson on MLA style so that when we begin writing and formatting our professional makes or whatever our projects are going to be, it's really more professional writing, and so you will need to write in MLA format. So I'm trying to give you a little lesson on what MLA format is. So when you have a way to make a citation page, that's where you give like your citation of the evidence or text that you have used. But there's also a way to format your paper in that same category. So there's different types of citations. There's APA, MLA, Chicago style, and it goes on from there. Many people have different ways that they will cite. So like lawyers have a specific citation way that they use. Okay, in English, we use MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association. So we will create works cited pages, and I will show you how to do that later when we have research that we have gone out and found either articles or books or different things that we need to now give credit to. Okay, this is not a works cited page. This is just the way we format all of our essays and writing samples or assignments for ELA. So it is called MLA format, and your standard is 1-inch margins, which is what the Word in Google Docs is already set to. You will be allowed to have it double spaced in Times New Roman 12-point font. Okay? When you set up a header in the MLA format, you start with your name. And this is just right where the cursor is. You just start typing, okay? So you start with your name, my name, which is Miss Recheck, your class name, which is either Honors Comp and Lit or English 2, and you can even put your hour, like 1A, 2A. And then you put the date. You will hit enter 2 times, and you will center for a title, okay? Your title can always be whatever you want it to be, but it is in the same font and same size as the rest of the paper, okay? You do not need to bold it. You do not need to italicize it. You just leave it the same. Once you have a title there, and you do not need to underline a title, not in your own writing. When you are referring to a title of a book, that is when you either underline or italicize. Okay, but for just me writing my own paper, I just set up my format right here with my name. My header gets set up, then I hit enter 2 times. I center it, type my title that I want to name my paper. For my true crime, I might write, true crime of Silicon Valley, Elizabeth Holmes. Okay, maybe that's who I'm going to research, and that's who I'm going to put up here. Okay, once I have my title, I then hit enter 2 times, and I bring it back to the left alignment. And I need to hit a button called Tab, which will indent my first paragraph. Then I may begin writing, okay? So when I begin writing, I'm writing in Times New Roman 12-point font. My paper is double spaced, and my paper's outlines have a 1-inch margin. That is your MLA format. It is pretty simple. And we will do it for every writing we turn in. So you should get used to it after a couple of times of writing something for Miss Recheck, okay? It's just your name, my name, class name, date, enter 2 times, title the assignment, enter 2 times, come back to your left alignment. You'll hit Tab on your keyboard. That will give you an indentation, and then you may begin typing. I hope this was helpful, and happy writing!